In today's video, I'm going to show you two ways how we can add checkboxes like those inside the Excel. So this is really useful if you have, let's say, to-do list or like task list like me, and you want to check your tasks. So I'm going to show you how you can add those checkboxes. First, I will remove them. And the first way, the easiest one, and the new way how you can add them is simple. You just want to select the cells where you want to add those checkboxes, and you want to go to Insert next to Home. And from here, you should see this large checkbox in controls. So you just want to click on it. And this is going to add those checkboxes in the cells which you selected. And now you can just click on it and it's going to check the box. So it's true. And this is how you can do it by the first way. You can also check the multiple boxes if you select the cells and you're going to press space on the keyboard. So spacebar is going to check all the boxes, or you can also unselect all the boxes. You can also change the colors of each box. So if you change it over here, you can see that you can change it like this. So this is the first way how you can add checkboxes inside Excel. I'm going to show you there is also the old way, and that's by using Developer tab. So if you don't see Developer tab over here, you want to open File, then Settings or Options in bottom left corner. And from here, you want to go to Customize Ribbon. And here, where it says Developer, you want to make sure this is checked. So like this, then click OK, and it will see Developer tab over here. And now if you are in the Developer tab, you want to click on Insert. And from here, you can see also Checkbox. So I'm going to click on it, and then you can drag it where you want, like this. So you can move it. Then we can remove the text like this. And this is going to create a simple checkbox also. And if you want to make it for all the rows, you can just simply select the cell and you want to use autofill function. So I'm going to drag it like this, and this is going to create a checkbox for every row. So those are the two ways how we can add checkboxes inside the Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.